Hey guys, today we're going to go through how to make a Symbaloo site of your own. Some of you guys are using, the Symbaloos that Lance and I have created, and that's totally fine. But this is if you, want to sign up, make your own account, make one for your classroom, or maybe for a specific project you may be working on. This will work as kind of a research starting point without your students kind of going all over the internet, or you can make it for a certain theme, maybe for a project you're working on. So what you'll want to do first is you're going to go to SymbalooEdu.com. Once you're going to get to this homepage, you're going to click the sign up. Then you're going to enter name, email, password, repeat your password, and you'll want to check to agree, but you'll want to uncheck so you're not getting their emails. Now where it says name, this is where you can enter anything in that your class will be known by. So you could put your first and last name, or if I wanted to, I could put Mr. Linson's classroom. Whatever you want to do here is fine. I'm going to go ahead and log in since we already have accounts. You will get an email and you will have to confirm it. So once I log in, I'm going to be brought to this page. You're going to see a bunch of these home web mixes, some things that were already created. You can go ahead and we'll show you how to delete those later, but to make your own, go all the way to the right, and you're going to see this blue plus button. First I'm going to click it one time, and you're going to see, just a blank canvas here. We're going to select in the left, Edit Web Mix. And now it's kind of a new feature, I haven't seen this before, and especially for the people using iPads and iPods, you can click these buttons here, and it'll kind of shorten up your web mix. Really, for the iPods especially, you don't need a whole bunch of links, so I'm going to go ahead and shorten this one up. And what you'll want to do first, in the middle it's set to weather and it's for New York. But we're not in New York, so I'm going to click Settings. I'm going to choose a city. I'm going to type in Kindleville, hit Search, click Fahrenheit, click Save. Now every time when your students open up their Symbaloo, it's going to be the weather set to Kindleville. I think our default one is set for weather. Yours might be set to Google. So when you go into settings, make sure you select weather. Now how to add one of these tiles is pretty simple. I'm going to click in the middle where it says add a new tile. That's going to give me an option to search for tiles that are already pre-made. If you're looking for, big universe, something like a Discovery Education Brain Pop, a lot of these are already added, so you might want to check them out in the search first. But to make your own tile, you're going to select click here to create your own tile. And now I just need an address. So I can either copy and paste one from somewhere, or if you know it already, you can just go ahead and type it in here. I'm going to copy and paste Lance and I's website here. I'm going to add a name for the tile, for the page. Now here's where if I check this, it's going to display the name here on the title, or I can click to uncheck. You can change the text color. These give you a couple options. I can make the tile green, I can make it pink, I can make it red. Or you can add an icon here. They have a lot of pre-selected icons. I'm just going to leave it how it is. You can also upload your own image. So for this, it already has our East Noble logo, but I could add my own if I want to. When I'm finished, I'm going to select Add Tile to Web Mix. And now I need to drag this tile anywhere I want to put it. If I want to move it over, I just click and I'm dragging it over. And that's it. So next time, if I want to add a new one, I'm going to click Add a New Tile. Now if I click on this link, click the button, it's going to take us to our web page that we've selected. Alright, now how are you going to send this to your students? To get this out here, you're going to select the button that says Share. And now you can make this private with friends, or you can have it publicly. So I'm just leaving mine open, it's not a big deal. I'm going to click Share My Web Mix. And this is the link that I'm going to want to get. I'm going to copy this link. Next, I'm going to go to tinyurl.com. I'm going to paste my link here. Now, what it does is it gives you an option to make your own URL option. So when we have tinyurl.com/en first, en second, en third, we've created all those with our Symbaloos for you guys to use. So if this one I'm going to put So if I put en and 3 Z's, I'm going to select make tiny URL. Now when I'm done, this one's already chosen, so I might have to change it again. So if I put 4 Z's in here, now my tiny URL is created. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this link, can email this to my students. Now, when the students click to open it up, it's going to go straight to this page. So that way you're not typing in www and pushing everything in. And on your iPads, iOS devices, students can save this as a home page and you'll have your button there all ready to go. If you need any help, please email one of us and we'll show you how to get through it. Thanks.